What did that tell you used to rock the streets? And that's what happens when you rub it up in the streets. You lock so tight, you don't even know when it's morning. The music's alright, you don't even care when it's done. ABISHA, how does it feel to be rocking on the ballroom floor? Or you feel like you would have rock some more?
Skanking.
Strictly rubber dub for sure. Blah. Well, it's Baba KALABASH, you know, so no fishnation not a bunny whaler, you know.
Round of applause. Where have you been staying or where are you staying?
Right about now, me there, Shirezi, so one location,
Shirezi.
Loveville, Region 5.
Okay, from way back, where have you been staying? You've always been in Shirezi?
Shirezi is my home.
You've been always...
But through say the vibes, you know, the city center, I pick up people from four corners of the nation, through say, you have to push it from uptown. So the last time we did boss the place and the people member say, Pokonyo, alright, listen up, the gossip. Wangozu pinza mupumbu, munamovu, unichoko di kujita mwizimu mfuvu kujdira motovu. Yeah, no long time. Sorry, gangandakata kwa sorry. You remember that, you know, back in the days?
Your voice, these tracks, whilst based in Shirezi, or you did a movement of uptown?
I took us a move to come uptown. You did it with Country Boy Records.
Okay.
You know, said this work, but I measure Ego, team of the mess and the other thing.
Long time.
It's a long time, man.
So who would you want to collaborate with if you're given a chance to go
Spice.
to Richie Spice? Just give me your top 3.
Oh, na, yes. Na, yes. In the streets is getting hot. And the youth them I get so cold. Searching for food from the box, where there's no anything to fill that gap. As generations comes and grows, you got to make preparation while the youth them grow. If what you breathe is what you sow, the youth them not gonna lie, so the future listen downstairs, you know. If education is the key, so tell me when the big guys are make it so expensive for we. You got the keys, or say they're free. So that content is timeless. Shuni no up until 2033 nasi munongo ndichengeta baba munongo ndichengeta ini andinganeti kutenda andikona ti timeless chere wewe ukafa vakazoramba vanhu vakazorarama vanosvika vachinzwa same thing. Is the thing. Let me want to show you, Bridget. 1980 Zimbabwe independence celebrate. Foot and reggae dance so them should liberate. Man speak fire like dragon, never underrate. Tune full of teaching style and pattern, better concentrate. Jano passion, every man have potential. Not try anything private and confidential. Them gonna run empty, not them free reload. Buckle up me belt so me ready to touch the road. Shock up on the dances, me come in at the center. And this boy is the lyric, you way better. Usati wango pinda, uno tata kuda ne power pinda na pota. Usati wango pinda, vamakado na 40 floma manga vapinda iwe theta. Usati wango pinda, uno tata kuda ne power pinda. Nasinda shiba, no pumpini, murukite mbede wango big man na mainini. Ya wacha no. Oh yo! Asare tengo, you know, fire blazing.
Murder style.
It's there, you know.
Murder
From
style.
downtown to after, it's Baba KALABASH ready for them. The Babo!
Yeah, Fido. Are your time now? Final rhythm now.
Alright.
Belly down.
Faranimbe, wumva wafuratira. Askana na chokana na kuwandira mbenembe, unaza kuwandira. Rastafari saka wakuyambira faranimbe, wumva wafuratira. Askana na chokana na kuwandira mbenembe, unaza kuwandira. Rastafari saka wakuyambira chimechikati batam suru, batam sanai want some na batam suru, batam sanai need some na. Chaman, chikwari, achengete kichomoni ndakuza chikwari. Unongo zura kachichengeta chikwari unongo mukachweretwa parirwa chikwari usazofarisirwa nakirwa faranimbe wobva wafuratira askana vachokana vakuwandira mbenembe wonadza kuwandira Rastafari saka vakuyambira
It's very important before you remember to roll up before you.
Yeah, before you stroll up.
Use your head before you use the bed.
Timeless music.
I want to say thank you so much for passing through Zifm stereo.
How could I know pleasant it has been that Rastafari Katango through?
Yeah man, history in the making. And I'm sure from today going onwards next year, I will say big things have become your way.
Yeah, man, respect in every aspect. And me I go work, you know, we're not going to lean back against the wall.
Subservient respect is reaching out to you.
Bless it.
Yeah, man, that was the Bowman Calabash passing through CFM stereo. Yeah, man, trust me, aka the Zim Dada. I'm going to know my one message. I mean, I tell you, like, I want to give thanks and praise. Yeah, man, trust me, for the people who are helping and pushing the Bowman to reach great heights. It's very important. Let's support our own.